I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping properly. Chill the Nugget IPA to 6 to 8 degrees Celsius and select a clean tulip or pint glass. Once the beer is cold, rinse the glass with cold water to manage foam. Open the bottle gently, pour at a 45-degree angle, then straighten to create about a 1/2-inch head. This releases aromatics without wasting carbonation. These first moves set aroma, mouthfeel, and visual appeal, so do them deliberately. Once poured, swirl the beer gently to lift the hop aromatics. Sniff first to note citrus, resin, or floral layers. Take small, measured sips to register the balance: bitterness from nugget hops, the malt backbone, and hop oil complexity. If one element dominates, make small adjustments. Let the beer warm by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius to soften bitterness, or briefly chill to tame volatile hop notes. This deliberate tasting sequence trains your palate. Finish by pairing and storing smartly. Match Nugget IPA with grilled meats, sharp cheese, or spicy dishes to complement hop bitterness. Store bottles upright between 4 and 8 degrees Celsius, away from light, and consume within the freshness window to preserve hop character. If something goes wrong, overly bitter, muted, or flat, try slight warming to 5 to 10 minutes at room temp, gentle aeration by pouring between glasses, and always inspect the bottle for off odors. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.